Good morning, Mr. President Donald Trump and everyone. This recording this before submitted to the governor. So this is all my paperwork. How's it now? Again, I've been reporting this to the Honolulu Police Department, but till now, suspects still not arrested. I will go head down to the HPD or main station, talk to the chief of police. There's the receipt. This time, my mother was front of garage. I see police officers down the road, my street. I went down to him, asked for help. He could check my, my, chocolate, my abstract, my record. Next thing you know, he just ending up arresting me. In front of my mother crying. There's something in my ear. Shit. Next thing you know, they transfer me to the main station, serving me another false cases TRO. So we'll file a lawsuit against the HPD for searching my room 2 times, try to find something for sure as evidence. 2 times, try to look for drugs, weapons, money, but then see nothing. I didn't find nothing in my room. Assuming that I do drugs or sell drugs, I don't do that. It's the biggest mistake for Karen Hashimoto and other police officers back in July 2023. 2-time false arrest. For my mother. It's considering ID theft and threatening and harassment. And there's no time limit. Once the case already been filed, I always can dig up the files to fight it, right? It's already been a case. I did file this to the ODC, the Office of Disciplinary and Emergency in Honolulu, Supreme Court. File against attorney. They couldn't solve the problem because I guess they all know each other. I understand, no hard feeling. No matter here, where's my witness? Especially this. This is all lie. This statement is all bull lie. Lie statement. Assuming I sell drugs, I do drugs. I don't do that. 2 times I searched my room, I didn't find nothing at all. Not even bag, not even money. Not even adult videos, not even that. The fact is, that's not the goddamn business for watch porno and what. Find their own life. Right, mother? Yes, come on. I get everything ready. Let's gotta see that for sure. No, we gotta follow the law, right? I'm not giving out Navix. This fake citation ticket. ID theft right here, my daughter's on. I'm just excited. I gotta explain this in front of the governor slowly and clearly. One at a time, one envelope at a time. Because right now, the HPD is being one-sided, wrong favor, wrong direction, following the wrong way. I was about to go down today, but my mother wasn't feeling good, so I gotta stay home, take care of her, you know, gotta stay home. I'll go ahead on Friday. This will be no forgiveness. I just following the law. Just in case we know each other, will be no embarrassment. We must follow the law. No threatening. No killing, no fighting. We just follow the law. Okay? We'll see who's being honest. We'll see who's doing their job correctly. Following the President of United States, Donald Trump, direction, his way, following his way, the correct way, legal way, not the bad way. The cell blocks are inside job that did my TRO. So who do you can blame? Is it against Charles Jordan Kimura or the petitioners? I know the petitioner no longer live with me. He moved out August 2023, so I call a filing against Jordan Kimura's harassment and threatening. So I can pay my bail bond. Okay, I gotta pay him or her. I haven't made a person yet, but that's the person who bailed me out. A lot of things going on, but yeah. Just gotta explain this clearly in front of the governor. They probably know each other. Look at this, Aaron Judge. I don't even know who this judge is. I never did meet him in person. Even the Lisa W. Catolda, I never did meet him in person. So I guess USPS is part of it too, for sending me any kind of scam envelope. Anyways, I got those recorded from USPS. So once this person is being, this USPS right here, this delivery, just in case she's a scam or she scam, I don't know. Just in case she or he deliver a scam USPS, he will read everything. He will tell the truth. Because she will get caught. She will be recorded, look. For sending a mail envelope. She or he gonna tell who been sending them to my address in Kiaka Drive. Chopping up a mail envelope, picking up mail envelope sa mail theft. He gonna tell the truth, or she. I gotta record it. Come on now, you do your job, you gotta do your job correctly. I mean, I'm not saying I'm the perfect guy, but you know, like, you don't want to get your career to get in trouble, yeah? See that? Recorded. Anyways, recording this, sharing this to the Mr. President of the United States. Hopefully get delivered. And everyone. Have a nice day, people. Aloha. See you soon, Mr. Kitayashi. As Aaron comment from my CPS. Just in case there's no filing case info, because considering school misconduct, then I gotta do too. For serving fake CPS back in 2014 for Madaris education. I did my time. I followed the school, the law and rules. Follow the policy of school. I have everything right here. Daras certification, baptismo right here. So I ain't lying, people. I gotta do. You know, always in Kali every day, morning, afternoon, always there every day. So they can do nothing. Have evidence to show proof. Always in Kali every day afternoon. Kali every day afternoon. Only that year, 11 and 12th grade for Madaris education, my lady was being kidnapped hostage. Until now, still looking for them. We're not over relationship yet. But the world never ending. Aloha again. Bye-bye.